Hi, my name is Chris Dillard, also known as the Dent Guy out of Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you, this was a really big dent in an aluminum hood on a Dodge Ram. That is a dollar coin, and we could have fit at least four of those inside this dent. What I'm showing you is the process of how we do paintless dent repair. Um, I've been doing paintless dent repair for the past 23 years. Um, and this video has been sped up because it does take, for this type of dent, it took me about 45 minutes. So I had to take my time because a dent like this, you have to make sure that the aluminum's not too far stretched. You have to make sure you don't crack the paint. You have to relax the metal. Um, and what I did was I did keep the coin there, and there's another dent down to the left and bottom for a reference. And so you'll see those all through the video. Now the video is only 2.5 minutes long. So I'm going to talk you through, and right now we're just using specialized tools to go underneath the metal and basically massage the metal back out. Now what I'm doing with the hammer knockdown is I'm smoothing the top layer of paint to make it look like the original factory paint, what they call orange peel. Now in a moment you'll see that I'll put up a different reflector boards, and here we go. And this is the finished product. There's little waves caused by the other dent there, but right there is where the original big old dent was, right there. So, and I was pretty pleased with that. So check us out, padentguy.com, and talk to you then.